Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the pet lip sync in Dreamface. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on pet lip sync and press on try now. Now you can just press on the pet option, you can select the picture, press on confirm. You can select here the voice. It just loads it a little bit slowly, or you can just skip that part and have basically a default voice, and you can just press on animate once it's done. I forgot to tell you also that you can also add the script. Basically you can just type it in. It can be literally anything, and after that you just press on confirm in the top of the right corner and press on animate like I said. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.